This video will demonstrate how to calculate opportunity cost with a production possibilities frontier, or PPF for short. First, let me draw a production possibilities frontier. And the two goods we're going to be looking at here are cabbage, measured in tons, and lettuce, also measured in tons. If this simple economy devotes all its resources to producing lettuce, it could produce 10 tons of lettuce and 0 cabbage. Or if it allocated all its resources to producing nothing but cabbage, this economy could produce 20 tons of cabbage and no lettuce. Connecting these dots defines our production possibilities frontier. So this economy could choose to allocate its resources in any fashion to produce any mix of lettuce and cabbage, so long as it falls along this production possibilities frontier. Our goal now is to calculate the opportunity cost of producing one more unit or one more ton of cabbage, and then to calculate the opportunity cost of producing one more unit or one more ton of lettuce. We discussed a simple formula that will calculate these opportunity costs for us, and the formula was given something like this. I'll just write it out here. The opportunity cost of producing one more unit of an item equals what you give up to produce that unit divided by what you get. So let me show you how to use this formula for this problem here. Let's now calculate the opportunity cost of producing one more unit or one more ton of cabbage. We're going to use this formula. So the opportunity cost of producing one more ton or one more unit of cabbage is what you give up. And if all we're doing is producing cabbage, we're giving up the opportunity of producing 10 tons of lettuce. What do we get if we produce nothing but cabbage? 20 tons of cabbage, and we get an answer of 0.5 or 1/2 tons of lettuce. So once again, to interpret this result, all we're saying is that every time we were to produce one more ton of cabbage in this economy, we'd have to give up the opportunity of producing 1/2 ton of lettuce. Now we can ask this opportunity cost question from the perspective of the other good. Let's go ahead and calculate the opportunity cost of producing one more ton of lettuce. I'll move up here. So the opportunity cost of producing one more ton of lettuce is going to be, well, what do we give up if we produce nothing but lettuce? We give up the opportunity of producing 20 tons of cabbage. What do we get if we produce lettuce? 10 tons of lettuce. So our answer here is going to be 2 tons of cabbage. So once again here, the opportunity cost of producing one more unit or one more ton of lettuce is what you give up divided by what you get, or 20 divided by 10, or 2 tons of cabbage. Let me recap. The opportunity cost of producing one more unit of an item is always given by what you give up divided by what you get. In this problem, we determined that the opportunity cost of producing 1 more ton of cabbage is 0.5 tons of lettuce, and the opportunity cost of producing 1 more ton of lettuce equals 2 tons of cabbage. I hope you found this beneficial.